Z, poor guy, popped his front tire and he doesn't have any tools, so I bought him some tools and some other stuff. So let's check out how he reacts. There he is. What's up, bud? Help him out with the tube. There's the baby girl chilling, up and running. Z Money.
How was the camping trip on the island?
It was awesome, dude. Would you do that? Yeah? All by yourself? That was my first time camping by myself. I mean, I camp a lot, but that was the first time I ever did it by myself. It's pretty interesting, especially at night. That raccoon was messing with me all night.
Did you steal any of your stuff?
No, he didn't take anything. I didn't leave anything out, but he kept like coming up to the tent in the middle of the night, and I would take out my flashlight and like he'd just like freeze. Hey, it was pretty funny. So, hey man, look what I got for you, bro. First, got you one of those.
The oil pan?
Oil pan, so now you could do your own oil change. Where's the thing you were using before? Show everybody what you were using for your oil. Pull it out, bring it over here. What is this called? It's just a trick-or-treat bucket?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Yeah, so look at that. That's how Z's been doing his oil changes. So I got him a proper oil pan, and then I also got you this, bro. Brand new set. It's made straight out of the Outdoorsy factory. So that's for you, bro. Part of being a man is keeping your tools organized and not losing your tools. So you use one, you put it back.
Yeah.
And then this should last you forever.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
Give me some. So we'll need some of those tools to take out this front tire. This one's bigger. Yeah, it's for this side. 14? Yeah. This is a Honda CRF. What year is this? 2017. There we go.
Now the tire's loose, right?
Yeah, now the tire's loose. Now we can pop this out of there. Lift your bike. There you go. Good boy. Let's get the rest of that air out. Jay, what you want to do is you want to pry this tire out of the lip.
So in here we'll just say 0.
Cool, so we got one side done. Now we got to get the other side. Hopefully that's going to be a lot easier. Maybe we can just pry it out. It's coming. Woo! Finally, we got it off, guys. Put a little air up in this thing. That way we could figure out where the hole is. But now we're going to bring this up to some water. That's how you figure out where your hole is, guys. Scrape this area where you're going to put your patch, so it's got somewhere to grip. Now we put some of this glue on here. This is rubber cement. Okay, just with the rubber cement, I don't even see any more bubbles coming up. Like, just the rubber cement itself blocked the hole. But then you put one of these on there, some extra oomph. Oh yeah, that's really good, bro. I made a good seal. Now we'll just put just a little bit more rubber cement around the edges.
Put the glue on the little hole right here.
Yeah, we're gonna use some of this rubber cement for that.
And then the glue's gonna dry up on there, and it's gonna seal it.
Yep. Hopefully, that's the plan.
I don't know. I have a feeling my bike is way faster than yours.
No way, dude.
You have to set it.
Well, we're gonna race today.
All right, bet.
We'll find out. What do you guys think? It's faster, this 110 Honda or my 125 Tao?
Comment down in the comments. Comment down in the comments.
I know for sure that I'm gonna smoke them, because the other day when I got the carburetor on there, yeah, that first carburetor ride, I raced them on that long road, and I smoked you by like a mile. Oh, because of the tire. But yeah, right. I don't think so.
Alright.
Just wedge the tire back in place. I'm going to try not to use tools just because I don't want to puncture the tube. Alright guys, after 1,000 hours, we finally got the tube and the tire back on the rim. So now we're going to pop that on there. I'm going to lift it, put it in place. So we got to put this part in. Okay. Got it in, guys. Alright, man. Go put it over there by the pump. We'll pump it up.
Yeah.